What's going on, guys? Welcome to Painfully Honest Advice, where the advice is free, but if you're not already doing it, it might feel a little painful. Okay, so today we are going to be going over how to invest in stocks with exactly $0. Now you may be wondering why I got Boss Baby behind me here saying free stocks. That's because Boss Baby wants you to invest and get free stocks for $0. But all kidding aside, I am going to be sharing with you guys the best trading accounts for beginners that you can set up today that will offer you free stock or cash for investing just for setting up that account. In worst case scenario, if you set up an account and you no longer like that account, you can always cash out, sell that stock, and get the cash out of that account, and you can do whatever you want with that cash or give it to me. Now, I've done a lot of research, and what I'll tell you guys is that these are the best apps to get started, hands down. And just so you guys know, I use all these apps myself. I wouldn't recommend something to you guys that I actually don't use myself. So all these apps are great apps for starters, and I'll share with you guys the pros and cons of these, as well as how easy they are to actually set up. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Andy. I make videos all around business, personal finance, and investing. If you like any of that content, make sure to hit that subscribe button right down there. But let's go ahead and get right into the video, guys. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys exactly 4 different investment accounts that you can set up, and once you sign up for those, they will give you either free stock or they'll give you cash that you can use towards investing. Now, all these accounts I personally use myself, like I said, and I would highly recommend setting up all 4 of them if you want. And if you don't want to set up all 4 and you just want to set up one of them, that's really up to you. You can do whatever you like because it really doesn't matter. It's just a preference thing. Now, if you're new to the stock market and want to learn more about how to go about buying and selling stocks or how to go about investing in the stock market, I made a video that I'll link right here that you can check out. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into the first app that I would recommend. And the app is called Public Trading App. Now, this app is one of the newest apps that's on the market. It's literally about 3 to 4 months old at this point, but I think personally it is the best app that is on the market right now just because of the flexibility and the easiness of how to use it. Now, with Public, you get a free stock valued up to $50 just for setting up that account. The nice thing is there is no money needed to get that free stock. You basically get a free stock just for setting up that account. And you get to choose one of 9 different stocks that they offer. Now, if you're interested in setting this up, I did put an affiliate link down below in the description if you want to check it out. But I would encourage you to set this up. I mean, why not? It's a free stock at the end of the day, right? Now, I do want to go over some of the features that Public offers. The first feature that I can tell you guys right off the bat is it offers $0 commission-free trading. Couple things that I do really like about the app, that it's very user-friendly, and additionally, any cash that you actually transfer into Public, they offer you a 2.5% interest rate on your cash. Now, this interest rate is extremely high for an investment app. Usually you see this kind of interest rate in like a money market account with a traditional bank. The other nice thing is that it offers fractional shares. Now, if you don't know what fractional shares are, fractional share is basically any time that you can buy a fraction of one piece of stock. So in this case, Public actually calls it slices. But basically what this means is that, say for example, you have 1 share of Tesla trading at, let's say, $540 that it was currently trading at in the last day or so. Now, you don't have to invest and buy 1 full share of Tesla if you don't have $540. You can buy a fraction of that share. So that's an extremely nice thing that this app actually offers that I don't actually see a lot with a lot of the other investing apps that are out there. So it's a very easy way to start investing in some of these more expensive companies that you can't afford 1 full share of. And basically you can buy a slice of any stock for as little as $5. And I kind of like that word slice as opposed to fractional shares. It makes it feel like I'm eating a slice of pizza for some reason with my water. Alright, enough about Public at this point. Let's go ahead and jump to the second app that is on my list, which is called Robinhood. Now, Robinhood is probably one of the biggest apps that's in the market that offers a really nice free stock option as well. Now, Robinhood offers 1 free stock valued up to $210 just for setting up the account. So basically you need 0 money to set the app up and to get that free stock. So I did put a referral link in the description if you want to go ahead and get that second free stock, and why would you not? It'd be silly not to. Now, Robinhood also offers $0 commission-free trading. Basically, when you're buying or selling a stock, it's going to cost you $0. Now, Robinhood is also going to be coming out with fractional shares. Now, with fractional shares, the nice thing with Robinhood is that you can invest as low as $1 to buy a share of a certain company. So it is something that's not offered yet, but they are looking to roll it out from what I understand in the next month or so. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump on to number 3 on the list, which is Weibo. Weibo. I love saying their name. But with Weibo, you basically have a great offer because they offer you 2 free stocks. Yes, you heard that correct. 2 free stocks. Now, the first free stock is just for setting up that account that is valued up to $250. And the second free stock is for depositing any dollar amount in your account, and that stock is valued up to $1,400. Now, you can deposit as little as $1 into that account and get that second free stock as well. Now, trust me, because I've tried it and I got my second free stock with it. Now, if you haven't signed up for this is a no-brainer. I will leave an affiliate link down below in the description to go ahead and sign up, because getting 2 free stocks, I mean, it's a no-brainer. Okay, but let me go ahead and share with you guys some of the features that Weibo has to offer. It's got $0 commission-free trading. Plus, it's got no account fees. And another nice feature that I really like about Weibo is that it offers free paper trading. Now, what that basically means is that it offers you to trade real stocks with virtual money or paper money. Now, Weibo is a great platform for any beginner or intermediate. Now, as a beginner, if you're looking at doing paper trading and just learning more about the stock market and how to invest, paper trading is a great way to go about doing that. And for an intermediate person, this app actually offers a lot more research and charts and analytics as opposed to some of the other stock apps that are out there. Okay, so I think that's good for Weibo. If you haven't signed up, highly recommend that you sign up and get those 2 free stocks. Now, let's go ahead and go to the next one on the list, which is called Acorns, and that is an investment app. Now, I'm sure you probably have heard of Acorns, but if you have not heard of Acorns, it is a great investment app. Now, with Acorns, the current offer that they're offering is actually $5 for signing up. But once you're actually signed up and you become a customer, they do have a lot of great offers for existing customers. So it's definitely a great app to get started. And what I would recommend is once you've signed up for the app, to go ahead and invite all your family and friends so you can take advantage of some of the additional bonuses that it does offer. Now, I have included a link down below in the description if you want to go ahead and get started with Acorns. But next, let's go ahead and talk about some of the features that Acorn does offer. Now, because Acorns is an investment app, you actually cannot trade stocks. Instead, you actually deposit your money and invest in diversified investment portfolios. And basically what that is an investment portfolio is usually a group of stocks, bonds, and real estate that's all bundled into one portfolio. So the risk is a lot lower than investing in individual stocks. Now, these investment portfolios are actually pre-built portfolios, and they're based on your risk tolerance. Now, you can actually check out these portfolios before you even start investing in Acorns. Okay, and there's 2 ways that you can actually set up automatic investment into your Acorns account. The first option is by setting up recurring monthly or weekly deposits, where each week or each month it will just withdraw the money from your bank account and it will deposit it into Acorns. And the second way is actually the way that I use, which I really like, is with round up purchases. Basically, every time you make a purchase with your bank account and you link that bank account with your Acorns app, it will round that purchase off to the nearest dollar, and it will invest the remaining into your Acorns investment account. So as a beginner, I would encourage you to go ahead and set up any of these accounts or all of these accounts like I did and take advantage of all these offers. But that is going to be a wrap for this video, guys. If you like this video and you like all the free content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And I personally only ask for one thing, and that's if you can just hit that like button for me, because It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. Oh, and I almost forgot. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me on Instagram at Painfully Honest Advice. But that is going to do it for this video. Thank you guys. I will see you guys at the next one.